Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Our question today is, are there private Quran and Arabic tutors in Madinaty? Absolutely, yes, there are. The question is, where do you find them? The best places to find them is you go to the Arabic Institute that is in Madinaty, which is called the Mubin Institute. They already do Arabic and Quran and all of that. And they have classes for kids, they have classes for adults. So you can go to them and you can ask them, and they can probably do private tutoring. They can have one of their tutors come to your home, or you can also do it online. So the other way to find a private tutor is when you go to the masjid. There's a masjid behind me right here. You
وَإِذِ ابْتَلَىٰ إِبْرَاهِيمَ رَبُّهُ بِكَلِمَاتٍ فَأَتَمَّهُنَّ.
go to the masjid and you ask the imam or the assistant imam if they were willing to do any Arabic or Quran classes, and more than likely they will be willing to do it for you. I just happened to be here. I asked the imam there, and they said yes, they're willing to do it as long as we give them the time and we let them know ahead of time. They are more than willing to do the Quran and Arabic tutoring. The third is, if you come to the masjid, you talk to your friends, you talk to other expats here, they will be able to guide you to the best tutors in Madinaty, and there are a lot of them in Madinaty. The next question is, how about female teachers? Absolutely, yes, there are female teachers in Madinaty. You have to, again, go to those sources, same sources I mentioned, either Mubin Institute, the Arabic Institute, or your friends, or the imam, and they should be able to guide you to somebody who is tutoring a female teacher. In fact, I know a family from the US who actually has a female teacher come at home and teach their kids. So absolutely possible. You're completely confused about what to do, what not to do, what school to put your kids in, what who are the tutors going to be, and what combination of schooling they need to have. You can always come to us, and we can help you out, inshallah. We are the website is in the description. We can get on a call, inshallah, talk about it. Also, we have a first 30 days package. We just put it out there for you guys so you can benefit. It has a lot of very, very useful information about visas, about schools, about apartments, and a lot more in that, inshallah. I hope. So another question that usually comes up is, can the sheikh or can the school take any level, or can these private teachers teach any level? Of course, you have to ask the tutor, and more than likely they can if they have gone through Azhari system. Of course, you have to always check their teaching style and all of that, and make sure that it fits the teaching style of your family, and you can learn from them and you can benefit from them. Inshallah, this is a great way to teach your kids, especially if you cannot get them to a markaz for some reason, or especially if you cannot put them in an Azhari school. This is a great way to actually prep them to maybe go into an Azhari school or to go into a Quran school later on. So and it also, a lot of parents do this to give them extra support at home, so the kids are prepared when they go to school, especially if they're doing intensive Arabic and Quran studies, or not even intensive, even if they are actually just kind of level up with the rest of their classmates when it comes to Arabic and Quran, especially for those of us who are coming from the West and their kids and our kids don't speak Arabic, and maybe they not have the level of Quran that is needed. And we have some tutors who actually teach the whole family, the mom, the dad, the kids, all in separate sessions or same sessions within an hour or two while they're at the home of the family. So that is another option that you have that really could help you as a whole family learning Quran in Arabic. So you might be wondering, why are there so many Quran and Arabic teachers in Cairo in general and in Madinaty? The reason is because you have these Azhari schools all over Cairo, and once they graduate, they don't just stay in Cairo or in the center of Cairo. They go all over the place. So that is an amazing thing about Cairo, and one of the best things you will see in Cairo and in Madinaty is the level of recitation. I've mentioned this in many videos before. The level of recitation, the beauty of recitation, the tajweed that they have is amazing. So when you come here, even if you just bring your kids to the masjid, even if you have them just come here and just listen to the recitation in the masjid, you will see your kids will absorb that from a very young age, and that is just an amazing experience that you can have with your kids, and your kids pick up that language, pick up that recitation, pick up the tajweed. So we had a friend actually who was visiting from the US. He came here, he came to one of the masajid, and he basically talked the sheikh here, and the sheikh decided, and him and the sheikh decided that they would teach his kids while they were in the US. So they arranged the time, they arranged everything, and right now his kids are learning from the sheikh in Egypt that he visited while he was in Madinaty, and they are teaching him, and the sheikh is teaching his kids back in the US. So I hope you find your private tutor as well. And if you have any questions, you can always reach us through our website, which is in the description. And may Allah do what is best for you and your family and your kids. May Allah give you the best rizq, and may Allah make your kids righteous. Ameen ya Rabbal Alameen.